Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to be installing a picture light over this big picture to cast some light on it. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. All right, so here's the setup. That's the only picture on the wall. It's approximately 4 feet by 5 feet, and I want to cast some extra light on it for some dramatic effect. All right, so here is the light that I bought. I bought it from House of Troy. It's like 250 bucks for this thing. It's crazy. The nice thing about it though, it is battery operated and it is LED, so it should give off a ton of light and last for a very long time because it uses very little energy. And basically it's a matter of some measurements, connecting a bracket to the wall, and then hanging this on the bracket. All right, so before I actually install this thing, I want to make sure I'm happy with where the light is going on this. So I'm playing around with it by hanging it up here and kind of seeing where the light goes. There's plenty of manuals that say it should be between 5 and 7 inches above the picture, but I don't think so in this case. This is fixed. A lot of these have a flexible light that you can adjust, but not this one. So before I do it, I want to make sure I'm happy with it. And so anyway, 5 to 7 inches would be way up there, and I don't like the way the light is shining on this. So I think you can see here, I think I'm going to put it roughly 1.5 inches or so above this picture because it's casting most of the light on the top 2/3 of it, and I kind of like the way that looks. So I'm going to go with this spot, and like I said, the bracket is going to hang up here where the batteries are and leave me about a space here. So I'm going to add another inch on because the bracket is only, doesn't cover this entire box. All right, so here's what I did. Here's the bracket. You can see I drew a line there. I held the bracket up to where I wanted it to go, and then I drew circles, one there and one over there, because that's where I want the screw holes. So now I'm gonna use some anchors and secure this thing to the wall. So here's a great hack. You'll notice I didn't take the picture off the wall, and I'm gonna get some drywall dust on it. And so what you can do is just use some Post-it notes, stick a Post-it note up there, fold it in half, and now when I drill into there, all the drywall dust is going to just fall in that little flap, and I can take it with me and not have to do any cleanup. And if you want to be thrifty, use the same one, just move it to the other side. Okay, ready to drill. Okay, so I rarely use the hardware that companies give you to hang their stuff, but I'm going to use these. These are easy anchors. I love these things. They're easy to use and they're quick. And so here we go. Okay, my anchors are in, and there's my drywall mess that I don't need to clean up, so I'm just going to remove these and throw them away. So the nice thing about this is this light fixture hangs by its own weight on a couple of notches on this bracket. You may not have the same style, but whichever manufacturer you've got, it's very easy to hang up. So there's the finished product in the dark. I like the way the light casts upon the entire portrait there. So I think that position was a good choice. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in learning about our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the information section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.